Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to change the chat language with Gemini on Samsung and Android phones. So here I have a Samsung S25 Ultra, but it's the same also for other Samsung and Android phones. And in the previous video, I just showed how to use live chat with Gemini. And now let me show you how to change the chat language. For that, just go to Gemini app. And here just tap on the profile icon. And here go down and tap on settings. And here we have languages. Just tap on it. And now it's selected English. But from here you can choose your own language if there is here. And I will choose Romanian because that is my native language. I will tap here and now I will tap switch. And now to talk with Gemini, I will use my native language. Let's see how it's working. So I will open the app. I will go live. Salut, ce mai faci?
Salut! Bine, mulțumesc că întrebi. Tu ce mai faci?
Mă bucur că folosești limba română.
Și eu mă bucur să vorbesc românește. E o limbă frumoasă.
So as you can see, it's working and also I hope that here in the language areas to find more and more languages. So this was my tutorial for today. I hope to be useful for you and see you to the next. Have a nice day.